Okay, here we are. We're down to this euro dollar right now at 90, 88, 89. I'm going to go long here at 88 on the euro dollar. $88.4 to be precise. I've gone long on the euro dollar 88 and going to put a 7-point stop loss. Not going to add the next level to get in. If this doesn't work, I'll be 74 to 78.
Just note some of the profit taking we've seen in the German government bond market is now filtering out to the other sovereign markets, the Italian and Spanish 10-year yield up on the day, the French 10-year yield up 2 basis points, and the German now backing up 4 basis points in the 10-year to 0.25%. Yields are up in the 2, 6, 5, and 7-year, pretty much across the curve for Germany. And that spread to the U.S. 10-year has continued to contract.
Long euro dollar from 88. We're up +3 on it right now.
The U.S. bond market following a cue from the European bond market. Yields are at the highs of the session, closing in on 2.09% on the 10-year. We're up about 4 basis points from the lows of the day in the benchmark 10-year yield.
We're up +5, +6 on it actually. 95. Okay, 95. I'm going to take +7 on half of this. Something on the table. You're 96 right now. Good. Anybody got a euro dollar along with me? It was there for a while, so hopefully you guys got 18.89. Well done, Mike. No, I use LMAX as well, Matthew. I use LMAX to get in, and I had no problem getting in at all. I'm saying that I use the web trader, not the MT4. But yeah, I had no problem getting in. Up to 99. Okay, yeah, I don't use that, to be honest. I have no idea on that. Okay, 99. I'm going to try to get to around about the figure on it if I can. Yeah, I mean, it could be that you're running too much on it, maybe, Matthew. Why do I use a web version? I don't like MT4, Louise. Simple as that. I'm not a big MT4 fan. I just don't like I don't like MT4 generally. So unless I do use MT4 with ATC or the VTA. But anything else, I don't. I'm just not comfortable with MT4. Fashion. I struggle with it. Yeah. So I do have an MT4 one for the but I use the ATC. That I obviously use that for the VTA. That's about it, really. I'm an old dog. You can't teach me new tricks. Yeah, it's just it's personal preference more than anything else. I'm not young and dynamic like Martin is. You see, he's young and dynamic. He can deal with these things. I can't. I struggle with these things. Oh, here we are, 01. I'm going to close everything out at 01 for plus 13. Good, that was nice. Long and in at 88, out at 01 for plus 13. Straightforward trade, not rocket science by any stretch of imagination. I mean, potentially I could have maybe even reversed my trade at the figure, but I'm going to wait for the wide zone in wins. So if you want to take an aggressive entry, you can reverse the trade at the figure